E-commerce isn't just for the big brands. Here's how you can launch your own online store today, even if you're a total beginner. E-commerce allows you to reach customers worldwide, operate 24/7, and scale your business in ways that traditional retail never could. But what exactly is e-commerce? Before we dive in, if you're looking to grow your online business and stay ahead in the e-commerce game, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with others who might find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and guides. Now let's get started. Simply put, e-commerce refers to buying and selling goods or services over the internet. It's a broad term that includes everything from online shopping to digital product sales. There's also print on demand, an e-commerce model that allows you to create and sell custom products without ever handling inventory. With print on demand, products are printed and shipped directly to your customers as soon as they make a purchase. E-commerce and print on demand are a low-risk way to start an online business, making them ideal for entrepreneurs and creators alike. In this video, we'll explore the basics of e-commerce, dive into the essential features that make an e-commerce website successful, and then we'll explore some of the top e-commerce platforms. The real growth of e-commerce started in the 1990s with the rise of the internet. The launch of Amazon in 1994 and eBay in 1995 introduced online shopping to the mainstream, allowing consumers to shop from home and businesses to reach a global audience. Today, e-commerce is a central part of the global economy, covering everything from online retail to digital services. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Fourthwall have made it accessible for businesses of all sizes to create and manage online stores. As mobile shopping and technologies like AI and augmented reality become more integrated, e-commerce continues to grow and evolve, offering new opportunities for both consumers and businesses. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about what makes an e-commerce website successful. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or custom merchandise, your website needs to do more than just look good. It needs to function seamlessly and provide a great user experience. User-friendly design and navigation. First and foremost, your website should be easy to navigate. Customers should be able to find what they're looking for quickly and without frustration. A well-organized menu, clear categories, and a logical flow are key. With more than half of all web traffic coming from mobile devices, having a mobile responsive design isn't optional. It's essential. Your site should automatically adjust to different screen sizes, ensuring a seamless experience on any device. Security is essential in e-commerce. Customers need to feel confident that their payment information is safe. Integrating secure payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or Apple Pay can help build that trust. Did you know that 40% of visitors will leave a website if it takes longer than 3 seconds to load? Speed matters. Make sure your website is optimized for quick loading to keep your customers engaged. Last but not least, your products need to shine. Clear, concise product descriptions paired with high-quality images can make all the difference in converting visitors into customers. What platform is right for me? Choosing the right e-commerce platform for your online store is crucial. Let's take a look at 3 of the top e-commerce storefront platforms that can help you get started: Shopify, WooCommerce, and Fourthwall. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, known for its user-friendly interface and extensive app store. With Shopify, you can choose from a wide range of customizable themes, making it easy to create a unique and professional-looking store. They are ideal for small to medium-sized businesses and beginners who want to get their online store up and running quickly. Shopify is known for its user-friendly interface, making it a great choice for beginners or those who want a straightforward setup. Everything from signing up to selecting a theme and adding products is designed to be intuitive and easy to follow. While Shopify offers a wide range of customizable themes, the level of customization is somewhat limited compared to other platforms like WooCommerce. However, for most small to medium-sized businesses, the customization options are more than sufficient. Shopify supports multiple payment gateways, including PayPal, Stripe, and Shopify Payments, which simplifies the process of accepting payments from customers around the world. And finally, Shopify operates on a subscription model with various pricing tiers depending on the features you need. While it's not the cheapest option, the cost includes hosting, security, and customer support, making it a comprehensive package. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a powerful WordPress plugin that turns your WordPress site into a fully functional e-commerce store. It's highly customizable and offers great flexibility, especially when it comes to SEO. WooCommerce is perfect for businesses that are already using WordPress or those who need extensive customization options. As a WordPress plugin, it is slightly more complex to set up compared to Shopify. However, it's highly customizable, which appeals to users who need more control over their website's design and functionality. WooCommerce shines in customization. Since it's built on WordPress, you have access to thousands of themes and plugins that can extend your store's functionality in virtually any direction you need. Like Shopify, WooCommerce supports a wide variety of payment gateways. Its flexibility also allows for more tailored payment solutions, particularly useful for businesses with specific needs. While WooCommerce itself is free, you'll need to pay for hosting, a domain, and potentially premium themes or plugins. This can make it either a more affordable or more expensive option depending on your choices. Fourthwall. Fourthwall is a platform designed specifically for creators and entrepreneurs. It integrates seamlessly with print-on-demand services, allowing you to sell custom merchandise directly to your audience. Fourthwall also offers unique monetization tools like tipping and memberships, making it a versatile option for those looking to sell both physical and digital products. Fourthwall is ideal for content creators and influencers who want to monetize their brand through custom products and digital offerings. Designed with content creators in mind, offering an easy-to-use platform that simplifies the process of selling custom products. It's particularly well-suited for those who want to integrate print-on-demand services seamlessly. Customization options on Fourthwall are more limited compared to WooCommerce but are adequate for most creators. You can easily adjust the layout, colors, and branding to match your style, but it's less flexible than other platforms. One of Fourthwall's standout features is its built-in monetization tools. From tipping and memberships to digital product sales, Fourthwall provides multiple ways to earn income beyond just selling physical products. Fourthwall's pricing is competitive, especially considering the range of features it offers specifically for creators. The platform's costs are typically offset by its robust monetization options, making it an attractive choice for those looking to diversify their income streams. In the end, Shopify is ideal for those seeking ease of use and a comprehensive solution. WooCommerce is perfect for businesses that need extensive customization and already use WordPress. And Fourthwall is the go-to platform for creators looking to sell custom products with integrated monetization tools. Choose the platform that best aligns with your business goals and the level of control you want over your store. Building a successful e-commerce website doesn't have to be complicated. By choosing the right platform and following these basic setup steps, you can create an online store that not only looks great, but also drives sales and grows your business. But if setting up an e-commerce site feels overwhelming, don't worry. That's where we come in. At Lightyear Design, we specialize in creating custom e-commerce websites tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're looking to set up a store on Shopify, WooCommerce, or Fourthwall, we've got you covered. Let us handle the setup so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you're ready to take your e-commerce website to the next level, visit Lightyear Design. We're here to help you succeed online. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.